12 signs you won't be single anymore. Hello, Brainy Facts family. Just wanted to thank everyone who has subscribed, liked, and shared our videos. We are so grateful. Although we are a very new channel, you guys embraced us quickly with so much love. Hope we are adding values to change your lives and relationships in a positive way. Thank you so much for your support. There are 6 billion humans on our planet. Yet, in the eyes of our lover, we become one of a kind. Love brings purpose to our lives and meaning to our souls. While even the happiest married couples argue and fight over petty matters, singles yearn for the sensation of connection with someone. Getting into a new relationship is a major step, and it's crucial to make sure you're emotionally prepared. Whether you're healing from a previous relationship or you're still single and wondering whether you'll ever get into a relationship, here are 12 clues that you'll be in one soon. 1. You don't feel as though you need anybody else. When you realize you don't need a relationship, it's the clearest evidence that you're ready for one. When we are depressed or insecure about our abilities, we usually turn to relationships for help. We rely on others to assist us in growing and improving. This is not only impossible, but it is also detrimental to your mental health. Expecting someone else to meet your wants is harmful. So, if you don't need anybody else, you're in a good mood and may soon find yourself in a relationship. 2. You continue to have the most romantic dreams. You may experience dreams about loving and being loved, which will leave you feeling strangely content and joyful. It may be someone you've seen around town, at pubs or cafes, or even in your office building. When you start having dreams about being in love virtually every other night, you can accept it as one of the signs that the universe wants you to be with someone. You are not certain if your dreams are about the same person, but you may have a faint sense of seeing them someplace. Even when you wake up and can't place a face to the joy you felt while dreaming, you'll recognize them the instant you see them in person. It might be one of the signals that you've met your soulmate. Romantic dreams are messages from the universe that real love is on its way. Dreams are a doorway into the mind, and they reveal what you genuinely seek. 3. You think about falling in love again. Do you ever think back on your feelings of love for your ex? What were the good old days like before things went wrong? It's difficult to recall the positive when you're in the midst of a breakup. But once you're out of it and see things for what they truly are, you start thinking about the future. The future can be a fantastic concept to revisit. All of those are positive, healthy emotions. Do you ever wonder what it would be like to experience those emotions again? That's a good thing, believe it or not. It doesn't matter if it's been a month or more than a year. It might be an indication that you're ready to move on and date again. 4. Your energy levels are really high. When you're with your best match, you'll need to devote constant and high amounts of positive energy in order to cultivate the connection. As a consequence, the universe takes note when you are able to provide this sort of energy. If you haven't already, consider whether you're actively engaging in any toxic or draining relationships that are draining you. Begin by cutting ties with those who are giving you pain. Then you will be preparing your life for the arrival of your love. 5. You already know you're a great catch. Breakups have a way of pulling us down and not allowing us to rise again. They frequently take away our self-worth and self-esteem, making us feel as if we are nothing. It's typical for you to feel this way for a while, but all will change one day. You'll awaken feeling like yourself again. It might happen gradually or all at once. In any case, you'll remember what you have to give in a relationship. You're a catch and you'll remember it. 6. You can see love all around you. When you are surrounded by romantic reminders, it indicates that your vibration is in tune with love. As a reason, it's often something you'll notice right before meeting the partner you've been looking forward to meeting. You may encounter passionate couples on public transit, overhear conversations about successful relationships, see a lot of romantic movie advertisements, or hear music that you most strongly connect with love all the time. Sorry for interrupting. I just wanted to quickly remind you that if you are liking the video so far, please do consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell notification if you haven't already, because we have a lot of exciting videos coming up. 7. You are aware of what you desire for yourself. To be with someone, you must first find out what you want out of life. Having a partner will not ensure that you achieve all of your objectives. You must first determine what your specific objectives and desires are, and then search for someone who shares your beliefs and values and will assist you in achieving them. 8. You have feelings for someone. This generally kickstarts things and puts you on the right track to not being single anytime soon. Don't beat yourself up if you start to have such ideas and desires. This is a reassuring sign. It's an indication that your body and mind are getting ready to create a place for a new, possibly great connection. 9. You don't need someone to spice up your life. Before you enter another relationship, keep in mind that adding someone to the mix will not make you happy. It may even add to the drama and upheaval in your life. When you are content being alone, you will be ready to reintroduce someone into your life. 10. You're looking forward to dating. The prospect of dating shortly after a breakup usually sends shivers up your spine. You don't want to return to the dating scene. That's terrifying, and it's not something you're interested in. So, when you discover that you enjoy dating, everything changes. While you may not want to download all of the dating apps and go wild, it is enjoyable to consider the possibility of dating again. Furthermore, you never know where it will go. 11. You can see what went wrong. The ex is always the one who made a mistake. While I won't argue against it, it's a bit of a biased viewpoint. We are constantly certain that we are correct, which is a problem. It might be difficult to understand where we went wrong in the relationship, but it does grow easier with time. The issue is that you could do the same thing in your next relationship. Repeating patterns might lead to undesirable outcomes. So don't go into dating with your eyes closed. If it's clear what you did wrong, keep it in mind when dating. If you're not sure, take some time to figure it out. 12. You enjoy the way your life is right now. Nothing beats meeting someone who has their act together. It's difficult to imagine starting a new relationship when your life isn't going as planned. Work on yourself first before bringing anyone else into the scene. It just makes it more difficult to focus on what you require. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.